Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, my name is Salsabila Putri Amalia. Today I want to talk to you about be a forgiving person. Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are well and always given health by God. Today, exactly 6 days after the change of 2020 to 2021. I hope that this year my hopes and yours will be achieved, and to reach that hopes will be given convenience. This is my first time to speak in English, but I will try my best to smooth the speech. I hope you can understand the content of the speech I deliver this time. Before getting into my speech material, I will tell you something. Everyone must have made mistakes, be it small to big mistakes. For some people, forgiving may be easy because they also don't really worry about a problem. But for some people, forgiving is a difficult thing because it takes time for themselves to think about the impact that will occur in the future if they forgive someone who has wronged them. Apart from that, we as humans who have moral must be a forgiving person. Even though it's difficult, but you have to keep trying. Being a forgiving person is something that you must apply in your life so that your heart is at ease and doesn't have any grudge against anyone. Today, I'm going to talk to you about being a forgiving person. In an article published by Kumparan.com on July 21, 2020, forgiveness is a process. In the process, we seek to accept negative emotions about the events taking place, really putting the wrong words in an honest and authentic way. Then, we voluntarily commit to releasing all of these negative emotions by giving them to a higher power. Forgiveness is divided into three things. First is the decision to deal with pain caused by another person or an event. Second is letting go of anger, resentment, shame, and other negative emotions associated with injustice, even if they are reasonable feelings. Third, treat the perpetrator with compassion even though they are not entitled to it. That was an explanation about what forgiveness is. Now that you know what it means, we will move on to the benefits if you forgive someone. The question arises in our minds. Why do we need to forgive something that might not replace the pain and loss we feel? There are many benefits of forgiving that we will get. That is, first, forgiveness helps to let go of anger. Second, forgiveness helps us direct our behavior to be gentler toward those who have hurt us. Third, forgiveness will help us build better interaction with others. Fourth, forgiveness can make the people who hurt us see more clearly the unfair behavior they have done, so they can try to stop doing it again. After you know the benefits of forgiving, we move on to the last point, which is how to forgive someone. As humans, with their respective egos, both asking for and forgiving are not as easy as we think. Therefore, we as humans who also need help from others must be forgiving. Before forgiving others, we actually need to forgive ourselves first. Here are some ways to forgive someone. First is recognize your emotions. Recognize the emotions that arise in you, whether it's angry, sad, disappointed, or other emotion. Don't think of revenge and hurting back the person because it will only hurt yourself too. Because no one will benefit from hurting each other. Second is be empathetic and put yourself in the shoes of others. Instead of focusing on their action that you think are negative, try to find out why they are doing it. We all make mistakes, and many times we don't even know we did. Third is realizing that we can control other people. We can control the actions of other people. All we can control are our own actions and reactions. We can prevent people from hurting us, but we can choose whether we will be offended by it or not. Fourth is learn from experience. Remember, giving also means receiving something. If you can forgive, you will learn valuable lessons from that experience, which will open up new perspective in life. Well, that was my last explanation about the importance of being a forgiving person. Then we go to the closing part, which is the conclusion of my speech. Today, I spoke with you about be a forgiving person. We now know what forgiveness is, the benefits if you forgive someone, and how to forgive someone. Forgiving may not be easy, but as humans who have morals, we must be forgiving. If you don't try, when? Is waiting for everyone to attend your funeral? Of course not, right? So let's be a forgiving person so that our hearts will be at peace and our lives will be peaceful without any grudge against anyone. Thank you. So guys, that was my speech about be a forgiving person. I hope you understand about my explanation. Sorry if there were words and make you offended. See ya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.